Hello, I'm Russell Minan. We're going to continue with our discussion on fixed annuities, and this section will be about the beneficiaries. The beneficiary on a fixed annuity, that is who gets the money. So if you own an annuity, you will need to name a beneficiary at your passing who that money would go to. And the money does not pass by will. It passes to your heirs by who the beneficiary is designated in the policy. There's a primary beneficiary, and that's who gets the money at your death. There's a contingent beneficiary. In case at your death, the primary beneficiary has already passed away, the money would go to the contingent beneficiary. Whenever you name a beneficiary, you can name as many people as you want to share whatever percentages you would like. They could be equal, unequal, it can be any arrangement. You can leave the money to a number of beneficiaries at whatever share you would like to name. And also the beneficiaries can always be changed at any time. Occasionally that happens, so it's not fixed and cannot be changed. That's not true. You can change them at any time at your discretion. At your death, if you named a person as your beneficiary, then the proceeds will not go through probate. The money passes to your heirs by the beneficiary designation. That can be, and sometimes probate can be in a long process, maybe not so much in Texas, which is where I'm located. In some states it can be. So just remember, if you name a person as your beneficiary, which I would highly recommend in all cases, that beneficiary, all they need to do is file a claim and submit a death certificate, and they'll have the money in a matter of a week or two. Also, when someone dies who owns a fixed annuity, the beneficiary would receive those proceeds without any type of surrender charge at death. That's true of nearly all fixed annuities. The beneficiaries could choose to receive the money instead of a lump sum, which is how most people receive it, but they could choose to receive the money in a stream of payments. It's called annuitization. If you don't need the money all at once, then you could spread those payments out over a number of years, or even for your lifetime if you choose to do that. One of the great features of being a beneficiary on an annuity, if you're a spouse, which is true in nearly every case for fixed annuities, is that if at your death, if you own the annuity, you've named your spouse, your husband or wife, as the beneficiary. At your death, that spouse can take over that annuity contract. It's called Spousal Continuation option that every annuity has. If that spouse does not need that money at that time, and if it's in an annuity that has a very nice interest rate or index annuity with some great cap features, you could just assume that contract as a surviving spouse. So I've done that a number of times for spouses, and it's really beneficial to know that that is available and is beneficial to that surviving spouse. So hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.